Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the stall detect safety feature on the new Rollixo IO Premium panel. This comes as a default off and we can turn it on quite easily. First, remove the screw from the front cover and take the front cover off. Press the set button briefly to enter the parameter menu. Then press the set button to go down to P4. P4 will flash 3 times to indicate that stall detect is inactive. Press the plus or minus to change the flash to 1. Press and hold the set button for 2 seconds to exit the parameter menu. Stall detect has now been activated.